how to make a game pass in Roblox. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click on that bell icon on to be updated if there are new uploads. So let's go and I will show you how. So this won't work on the Roblox app, and what we would do is go to our browser, and in our browser what we need to do next is to log into our Roblox account by going onto the Roblox website. So just type in roblox.com, and then you will be logged into your Roblox. If you are not logged in at the moment, you will just log in and continue on the browser, and make sure you are on desktop mode. And then if we zoom in, we can see a create button right there, and tap on that create button. So for some, you will be seeing this, or you will be redirected to experiences. So just go to manage my experiences. So tap on your place. Every Roblox player has a default place. And once you have tap on that, go to the 3 lines above right here. Tap on that. And in this section, just look for the associated items option and go to passes. So here you will see the passes that you have created, and you can also create a pass. So in creating a pass, you will just provide the image, the name, and the description of the pass. And once you have done that, just click on create pass and you are done. So I hope the tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.